What's the meaning of conspiratorially? Conspiratorially. Conspiratorially.
Conspiratorially. Conspiratorially. The word conspiratorially is an adverb that describes an action or communication carried out in secret, often between people who are planning something unlawful or harmful. When someone behaves conspiratorially, they may be whispering, making furtive hand gestures, or avoiding eye contact. The result of a conspiratorial act might be the successful execution of a secret plan, but it could also lead to negative consequences, such as legal repercussions or damaged relationships. Overall, the use of this adverb implies a sense of suspicion, secrecy, and clandestine activity.